Very warm good morning to you all. My name is Dhruv Rawat and I am here with Subrat to explain you all about our idea and to share our project with all of you. So coming to the name of project, Accident Alert App. Now I assume most of you would be thinking it's a simple application which would be telling this is an accident prone area and this is not. Sorry dear, this is not a simple application. Instead, this is an application which can save millions of lives. Now, coming to the logo of our project. We have created a simple, creative, and crisp logo, which in itself is describing what the system is all about. Now, the question comes, why we need this project? Why we worked on this project? So for this question, I am having 3 pointers. First, approximately 1.35 million people die each year as a result of road traffic crashes. And the second reason is road traffic crashes cost most countries 3% of their gross domestic product, which is also known as GDP. Road traffic injuries are the leading cause of death for children and young adults aged 5 to 29 years. So 3 key points are loss of money, loss of people, loss of building blocks of nation.
So here comes the working. You have already seen that the name of this app is Accident Alert App. So the sensors which are used in this app are GPS, GSM and shock sensors. The shock sensors would be in the car only and GPS and GSM would be in the mobile application. So the shock sensors are in car, as you know. So when accident happens, this sensor will be active and the information by this sensor would be sent to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller would activate the application at that particular time. When the application would be active, the GSM module will also be active. This GSM will track the exact location where the accident has met, and this location would be sent to the registered mobile number and police station. So at last, the information is sent to the nearby police station, family members, friends, or blood banks, hospitals, clinics, etc.
The introduction of our project by an example. So many people die not because of an accident but because of late healthcare facilities. So our project would be targeting this problem. This app will contact the nearby hospitals and clinic just after the accident and will help provide immediate help for those type of people. So I have created a short video to explain the whole working. This is basically an example that how our system will react to the problem. So let's see the video first.
If any car meets with an accident and people inside it faint, then the device connected to the OBDI port of the car will retard the speed of car and will activate the accident alert app on the mobile. This app will further inform the nearby police station, blood banks, hospitals, etc. feed in its data. In this way, this app will help mankind.
So as you can see, we have mentioned 4 device things here. You can see, you can feel this. These are simple 4 devices, but they aren't. They are a complex system which we will be using in this system. As we have mentioned earlier that this is an embedded system. So let's talk about these 4 devices. So firstly, the main device is this device. We would be connecting this to the OBDI port of the car. So now the question arises, how can we locate the OBDI port of a car? So basically the OBDI port of the car will be located just beneath the music system or around the gear section. So this device would be connected in the OBDI port, and whenever the car will meet with an accident, all the sensor will give the important information to this device. In this device, microcontroller will be there, GSM module will be there, and many other things. Now talking about the microcontroller. So we have showed this chip as microcontroller. When the accident will happen, all the data provided by the sensor will go to the OBDI port. So the microcontroller will activate all the GSM module, and further the functions which are essential for the project will be done by the GSM module. So coming to the GSM module now. So we have characterized this thing as GSM module. So all the important information will be given by GSM module to the nearby police station, blood banks, etc. and etc. Microcontroller is also having one more task. It will activate the app in the mobile and will send the messages to nearby police station, hospitals, etc. and etc. Now coming to GSM module again, this GSM module will provide important information with the help of sensor. Now what is important information with reference to this project? Important information is like temperature of the car, that is there any fire or something like that. And GSM module will also give the exact location of the car. For example, the car is at X latitude and Y longitude. So all this information will be given by GSM module with the help of GPS. So it will be easy to locate the car and provide help to the people present inside it.
Now it's time to show some states to you, some data to you, so you can get to know and understand the worth and need of this project in our society. As we have gone through the data of world, now it's time to know about our nation, India. So for a better understanding, we have created two graphs. Firstly, we have created pie chart, and secondly, we have created a line graph. In pie chart, we are talking about deaths by road user category. So basically, we have categorized, and we have sectorized the deaths of road users.
Now let me introduce you all to the explanation of user interface of our. So as you all can see that the name of our application is Accident Alert App, and the background of this application is black in color. So here are some icons like call, website, inquire, about us, contact, and you can see that in the three dots there are notifications, search, rate now, and share now. In the present moment, rate now and share now are of no use, but these are very much essential for any application to grow. The notifications and search are also very of use, as the search would be giving the user a user-friendly content, and he or she would be able to search anything for himself or herself which is related to this application or related about the accident-prone area. The notification would be giving the user the advantage to be tracked by the health facilities center. The call are in the call section there would be some numbers also. In website section you can visit our website, and this website would be giving you some information about our this project, that why we had made this application, what are the reasons of making this application, etc. Then comes the inquire one, and if someone's network is not stable, then he or she may go for this inquire one. And in this inquire section, he or she would be getting the same facilities as that website one, but the main difference is the website should also grow. That's why we have an website section also otherwise. And then comes the about us. In this about us section, there would be information about the developer of the application, that are us, and who has prepared this application, etc. In the last is the contacts one. This contact is the contacts of that person, so that his or her family members could be informed that he or she has met with an accident. And let me tell you that if you are thinking that only these are the facilities of this application, then you are pretty much wrong. And this application is designed in such a way that it would be adding more and more functions for the user, as per the user and as per his recommendations. So here comes the role of that rate now option, and he or she must rate the application so that we would be able to know his or her likings and dislikings, and would be able to prepare the app as per his or her needs. Hope you liked our project. Thanks for watching.